Hello everyone, Chef Vikasit out here and I'm cooking something very special. This is a colorful taco which has been hand painted using vegetable purees and herbs, and it's very interesting. It has a lovely flavor of homemade barbecue sauce with mushroom. I'm showing you how to do that at home. Let's prepare the homemade barbecue sauce, the first step. So we're adding in the ketchup, soya sauce, we have the vinegar, there is a coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, mustard paste, the jaggery, a bit of salt, pepper, and water. Already very tasty, but we are going to reduce to half for even more intense flavor. Time to make the filling. So we are using the mushroom, the onions, the garlic, the jalapenos, and the homemade barbecue sauce. So we are heating the oil. Jalapenos. Expose the onions. So this is almost ready. It's time to add the sauce. So adding our homemade barbecue sauce. Nice. So we're making a sour cream which has cream, lemon and salt. Very simple to make. Let's see how it is done. So adding the cream, a bit of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. So we have placed all these ingredients together, the cream, the lemon and the salt, and on ice bath. You can keep it in the fridge as well. Don't whisk it for first 15 to 20 minutes. If you do that, it might get curdled. But if you leave it together for 15 to 20 minutes and then whisk it, it will come like a smooth sour cream. Okay, so the next step is to make the dough, and we are adding the flour, a pinch of salt, soft butter, and now I'm going to mix the butter and with the flour, so you're going to get a crumbly texture. The next step is to add the warm water to make the dough. So we are kneading the dough. As you see, the dough has come together. We are going to leave it for 1 hour resting. So we'll keep in the bowl and cover it up with a cloth. Okay. So this has been lying for an hour. So now we are preparing the tortilla. Okay, so now is the fun part and holy time. We are using all this lovely food which has been pureed as our color. Okay, all natural. So here we have a beetroot puree, which is basically roasted beet with the seasoning. There's a spinach with seasoning. There's a turmeric with seasoning, and this is the red cabbage with seasoning. So here we have our beetroot. So we are going to start painting our tortilla now. Here we are ready with the heart of the recipe. That's our taco, which has been beautifully hand painted with all the vegetable purees and herbs. Fantastic. And time to finish the recipe now. So why I made it warm was the cheese will also start to become softened. So here we have our barbecue mushrooms. Okay, just a little bit of lettuce, cilantro, and then the sour cream. So here we have our holy tacos, which are being hand painted with the vegetable purees and herbs. And you have a lovely house-made barbecue sauce, mushrooms, sour cream, lettuce, and cilantro.